Welcome. In this video, I want to show you how you can learn HTML and CSS by developing a simple navigation bar. As you can see, the navigation bar is very simple. It has some links in it and it has a logo. So let's get started. I'm using Sublime text editor. You can use any text editor you like. As you can see, I have set up a folder and in it we have HTML and CSS files. So let's get started. Type HTML, then press tab. Then let's change the title of the text of the program, navigation bar. Next, let's put some content in the body, header, press tab. In the body we are going to have logo. You use H1 for the logo. You can write anything. In my own case, I'm writing the name of my channel, Sam Code. Next, we are going to use another list to add links in the body. As you can see, I am using anchor tag. So I will copy it and paste it several times. After that, I'm going to change this link to services. The next one I will change it to blog, and the next one I will change it to about, and the next one contact. So next, let's add the link to our CSS file. So you just press link, then you press tab. So the link to the CSS file is style.css. Let's check it out in the browser. So this is what we have in the browser. So let's style it in our CSS file. So we have to change the default margin to 0, default padding to 0, and default box sizing to border box. The font family is going to be sans serif. Let's check it out in the browser. So it's working fine. Next, let's design the header. We are going to change the width to 100%, the height to 60 pixels. Display will be flex, and justify content center. No, space between. Align item center. Then we are going to add padding inline. That is padding in the left and right of the navigation bar to be 80 pixels. The next, we are going to change the background color to be cadet blue. Let's check it out in the browser. This is what we are having so far. It's so beautiful. That is the logo. So next, let's design the logo. Header H1. This is the logo that we are going to. It is H1. Header H1. Font size will be 20 pixels. The color will be white. Let's check it out in the browser. Refresh. Yes, it's working fine. Next, I want to change the cursor to be pointer. So this is what we have so far. You see, the logo is now pointer, is not a text pointer. Now let's go ahead and design the links. These are the links. To select the link, you have to write header UL, then anchor tag. So header UL, then the anchor tag. The font size is going to be 20 pixels. Text decoration none. Font weight will be 500. The padding, top and bottom, will be 10 pixels, then left and right will be 20 pixels. The background color will be blue. Then the color of the text will be white. Next, we have the border radius 3 pixels. Let's check it out, refresh. So this is what beautiful navigation bar we are having. These are the links and the logo. So now I want us to add over effect. Copy this, paste it down below, over. So we are going to change the background color to blue violet. Let's check it out in the browser. Congratulations, you have successfully designed a navigation bar using HTML and CSS. I hope you find this video helpful and valuable. Share and like the video if you found it helpful, and if you are not a subscriber to this channel already, I encourage you to subscribe to this channel for more content like this.